watching Sleepy Eye Pride News. I'm Alexis, and today is Monday, February 1st, a new month here at SCPS, an exciting one at that. This year sure has been flown by quickly, and it won't be long before summer vacation hits. Better get those lunch choices fast.
We are starting February off right with these choices. Choice 1, French toast sticks. Choice 2, chef salad.
A little brunch to tickle those taste buds this morning.
Those lunch choices are sure to please, but will the weather be the same? Things are sure were warming up last week. Will the trend continue?
You will like today's report. We can expect mostly cloudy skies but milder temps overall with a high of 29 degrees. Looks like that warming trend will continue at least through today. Tomorrow may be a different story. Back to you.
Enjoy it while we can. We never know what tomorrow's weather might bring. Reminders, Morgan?
Reminders for today. It's winter, so please dress for it. Spirit Immersion Dance forums are due this Friday. Also, softball sign-ups are this Wednesday from 3:30 to 7 at the Dairy Queen. I Love to Read month has begun. Look for a month long of fun festivities.
Sounds like a lot of fun in store for everyone. That wraps things up for today. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Morgan.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance on a count of 3. 1,
2,
3.